Modifying a single sink vanity drain to fit a double sink setup without joining drains under the cabinet is tricky but doable if you plan it right. So, first off, you want two separate drain stubs coming out of the wall, right? Start by checking the existing plumbing layout inside the wall to see where you can add those two drain lines. You'll probably need to cut into the wall to run a new drain line for the second sink. Use proper pipe sizing, usually 1.5 inches for bathroom sinks. And make sure both drains slope correctly toward the main waistline to avoid backups. For venting, since you want to avoid tying into the main stack, adding an Air Admittance Valve or AAV could work. But remember, it has to be in an open cabinet area to meet code. Instead of blocking it with a mirror, try installing a small vented cabinet or a vent grill nearby to keep air flowing. About that 90-degree elbow at the wall corner, it's okay if it's not too sharp and the pipes are properly supported, but try to replace it with two 45-degree elbows if you can for better flow. Don't forget to include a cleanout access near the drains for easy maintenance. Finally, test everything by running water through both sinks to check for leaks and proper drainage before closing up the wall. One of the biggest mistakes when modifying vanity drains like this is poor venting, which can cause slow drainage or gurgling noises. The fix is adding an AAV or a proper vent line outside the main stack. Another common problem is using wrong pipe sizes or improper slopes, leading to clogs and backups. Make sure your pipes are at least 1.5 inches and slope downward about 1/4 inch per foot. Lastly, many folks forget about cleanouts or make them hard to access. Always install cleanouts where you can reach them easily for future plumbing work. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know bathroom plumbing inside and out, making projects like this way less stressful. Plus, it's a great platform for contractors to find new clients and grow their business by showcasing their skills and reliability.